Hey, it's Mr. Peace. I'm here at Parsons Elementary in Gibraltar, Michigan, home of the Pirates, and this is in the Gibraltar Public School District. I've been here a few times before in the past for the summer program and once a couple of years back for the school assemblies for the entire school. We did that again today, but we had a different theme, different focus, and that was on positivity, right? Being your best self. This really ties into one of their 3 P's that they really preach here at the school, which is perseverance, that we don't give up, that we always keep trying. The opposite of success is not failure, but it's giving up or quitting, right? So as long as we keep trying, keep doing our best, giving our greatest effort, that's really all that matters, right? We don't always have to be the first in everything or get first place or get a trophy or medal, but as long as we are just doing our best, that's true excellence. It's not being the best, it's just doing our best. And we're gonna go through some things that are tough, certain subjects in school, a friendship, maybe something at home that's really difficult, but we know that that can make us stronger. Those are opportunities for us to really, show how positive we can be, have that positive attitude in every area of our lives, here at school, at home, on the playground, on the bus, in the classroom, lunchroom, everywhere, but also have that positive mentality with everyone in our lives, right? Our teachers, our coaches, our family, our friends, our classmates. And if we can really show that type of positive nature, then we know that we can really do anything. And when times do get hard or difficult, that's why I wear this shirt for this assembly. It says, keep your head up. The words are upside down on purpose. If you look down or feel sad, feel down, it's a reminder to always keep our head up, right? To always think positive no matter what, and to just keep pushing, keep striving to do our greatest. And that's all the teachers and adults at the school really want from the students. We're right in the middle of state testing, so it's perfect time for this reminder and these life lessons that as long as we are giving that effort, that we know we are truly doing our best, right? We can look ourselves in the mirror, end of the day, and say that we gave it our all. And knowing that we can turn any negative beliefs or self-doubt we have within our hearts, because whatever you tell your heart and your mind, it's gonna believe, turn that into something positive, that's what we keep really trying to focus on every day. That if we keep saying those positive things and keep reminding ourselves of the positive things in our lives, then we're gonna get these positive results, like planting great seeds. Just like a gardener, we plant those in here and here, we're gonna get the positive outcome. And we're gonna have more friends, we're gonna have better grades, better outlook on life, more self-confidence, right? If we don't get something the first time, we're not gonna give up. We're gonna always keep trying and keep pushing. And that also ties into knowing our worth, our value, how powerful, how special all of us are. In all of the assemblies that I do, I talk about this. With the lines on our hand, we have the letter M. I traced one of mine here. We have at least one in each hand. Sometimes a faint line connects it, but that M stands for miracle. Upside down W for worthy, that we're all beautiful miracles, worthy of love to both give it and receive it. And for students that don't believe this or have never been told this, we need to be that light to their hearts, right? To remind them how invaluable each of them are. If they can overcome anything in their life, and even when it's kind of rainy or cloudy like it is today, or in our hearts a storm going on, the storms have to happen for the rainbows to appear. And we can still keep a positive attitude, even on days like today. It doesn't always have to be sunny when it's easy to be positive, but we always have that choice. And for the students to really know that, I think they really got that. There's a lot of pin drop moments, a lot of them that shared their hearts with me after, said that something hit home, something touched their hearts through the heartfelt stories that I shared, the motivational video clips, the positive music. So it was just an awesome day, and hope to be back again in the future. Have a great rest of the school year. And as always, make sure to hit the subscribe button as you pop up on the screen. You can also check out this playlist below for some additional motivation, and feel free to also check out my website by clicking on the peace sign symbol on your phone, tablet, wherever you're watching this video, to track my journey across this country as I continue to heal America's heart, one school at a time. Peace.